Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I have a Pandora haul to share with all of you. Pandora recently had a promo where you'd get a free bangle with purchase. I ordered from Pandora Cookstown because not only do they have items on sale, like it's like an outlet, they actually had an additional percentage off the sale items. So it was a perfect time to purchase because you also got the free bangle. So it was a really good deal. So if you're ready to see what I picked out, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm enjoying some cherry blossom matcha from DAVIDsTEA. It is so delicious. I added a little splash of oat milk to it just to kind of add some nice thickness to it. And it is so good. I definitely recommend it. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. The first item I'm going to share with you is the bangle bracelet that I got for free. It is called the Pandora Moments Entwined Infinite Hearts Clasp Bracelet. It is beautiful. It has a little touch of cubic zirconia and a little heart detail on the clasp. Slight open work design to it too. The clasp detail is beautiful. It's smooth on the back where you could potentially get something engraved for a loved one, which I always love that little custom detail. On it, it has a lovely inscription on it, and I also picked out the size 17. Speaking of bangles, I also picked up another bangle that I actually already own in my collection. It is the Disney Jasmine bracelet. So this is called the Disney Pandora Moments Aladdin and Princess Jasmine bangle. It is so beautiful, but unfortunately my old one, it actually got broken, you guys. It got bent up. I don't know what happened. I was traveling and all my other jewelry was fine, but just something happened with this one and I was so sad. But luckily Pandora Cookstown had it, so I was able to get it again. If you'd like to see my design on this bangle, I do have a YouTube video about it. I'll leave it linked up above the screen right now. Up next, I have a pair of earrings that were long on my wish list. They are the Pandora Rose Tiara Wishbone stud earrings. These are so pretty and dainty, and I've really been loving stud earrings for, I guess, maybe the past 2 years. Like, there's just something about a little touch of sparkle, and they're very easy to wear, and I just love stud earrings recently. I used to always like really big statement earrings, but found over the past couple years stud earrings have just become a new favorite for me, and I just think these are so pretty. They really do look like, they kind of make me think of Disney princess vibes a little bit, that little touch of magic to my outfit. They also come in silver as well. I will have a link down below in my description bar if you're looking to find those. And aren't these so pretty, you guys? I love them. Okay, up next we also have another Pandora Rose item that has been on my wish list and I've always debated about it. And since it was like additional percentage off the sale price, I just had to do it. This is the Pandora Rose Hearts of Pandora Halo Ring. And you guys, I just love the cubic zirconia accents. They have the accents all around the halo detail as well on the sides. And it is just so beautiful. I believe I got the size 50 and it fits a bunch of my different fingers. So depending on where I want to wear it, I can add the detail on. You'll also see the beautiful Hearts of Pandora going around the ring. Like, I love that little hidden heart detail. It's really beautiful, and you can find the hallmarks on the inside of the band. And you guys, it's just, oh, it's so pretty. If you want to know more about Pandora Rose, I do have a YouTube video all about it and also how to care for it. So I will leave a link up above my screen right now on where you can find that video. Up next, we have the Disney Cupcake Silver Charm with Red Enamel on Minnie Bow. And this has been on my wish list for a while. It's long retired and I've always kind of seen it available some places and I haven't seen it. And when I saw that they had this, they did an Instagram post. I just had to get it because I love cupcakes, I love Disney, and I love Minnie, and I actually have the perfect place to put this. It's on my Mickey and Minnie themed bracelets. I'm very excited to add this to that bracelet. The last item I had in my haul is from Harry Potter collection from Pandora, and it is none other than Harry Potter himself. This has been on my wish list, and there's been many moments where I've like come close to getting it, but ultimately I've only ever gotten like a couple of the Harry Potter charms from the collection. You might have actually seen my video, my Harry Potter themed bracelet styling video outfit. Actually, I'll leave a link up above the screen right now where you can find that video. Well, I just had to get him because I keep thinking he'll complement Dobby on my bracelet so well, and he has just so many cute details on him, and yeah, so he ultimately ended up in my collection. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I'd love to know which Pandora item from this haul is your favorite. I will leave links down below in the description bar of this video if any of these items are still available online on Pandora's e-store or on various retailers that do carry Pandora. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.